Hi guys, today in this video I will be telling you on one of the most powerful topics, that is the craving for a change. Not just simply a casual change, but a change for a better life. Friends, change is an inevitable and an unavoidable thing to happen in everyone's life. Whether we like it or not, we are going to change, that's for sure. Why? Because change is the law of nature. But what kind of a change we are talking about? We are talking about a change for a better tomorrow. So friends, in this video I will tell you three aspects of change. In the first aspect, I will tell you life before change, which I call the pre-change life. And there is the second aspect, which is the transition period, in which I will tell you five major things which can definitely change your life. And there is the last and the third aspect, that is life after change, or I call the post change life. So friends, let us discuss the first aspect, that is the pre-change life. So friends, what we call the pre-change life is a vivid reflection of one of the two extremes. Either it is very comfortable or it is very miserable. In fact, we do not want to be either of these two extremes. Why? Because life in comfort zone seems to be very dull and boring. Why? Because there is no joy, excitement, or no new challenge in living such life. Everything seems to be so well placed that there are so many folks out there, they are very much depressed and they even go to the extreme of committing suicide. This is one group of people. While the other group of people are exactly the opposite of what I said right now. They are miserable, confused, and torn. I mean, it appears that life isn't moving at all. Whether you are in comfort or discomfort, safe or unsafe, one thing is pretty much common, that you want a full stop right there, and you want to make a move for a prosperous tomorrow. But sometimes, however hard we work, life seems to be absolutely static or stagnant. So this is what a pre-change life looks like. So here comes the second aspect, that is the transition period. So it is a moment in life where we have to say enough is enough. I've got to make a change from here right now. So here comes the most important part, that is, of the five major things which can change our life, the first one is consequence. So what do you have to do here? So friends, we have to sit down with a pen and a paper and write down everything as detailed and honest as we can be of our present situation or life standing. Having written it down, we have got to read it over and over and then analyze and figure out all those areas in which we have to bring about that massive change. So here is one thing which can help you out. So friends, find out what is that one thing that you have to do. I mean, that is the number one priority in your life. You cannot avoid it or ignore it. Why? Because the aftermath consequences that you are going to face is really undesirable and unwanted. So I will give you here two examples. In the first example, I will tell you about students' life. Friends, you might have seen there are so many students very much relaxed and chilled out all throughout the academic years. But when the exam time is fast approaching, you will find them grab books, collecting notes, and all of a sudden they become very good students. In fact, it is those students who took their studies very lightly, but when the exam time is around, everyone is on their toes. They are frantic. They approach to the best student in their class and they cram up late night. And they do everything possible because of the fear of exam. So why there is this sudden behavioral change? It is because they know it very clearly that if they do not study, they are going to fail and they are going to remain in the same class one more year. That's it. So here I will give you second example. Friends, you might have seen there are so many young lads who ride motorbikes, right? They ride it with maximum speed, but the moment or the day they meet an accident causing so many cuts and bruising themselves very terribly is the moment they will resolve never to ride it with that speed again. It is because of the near-death experience they had. So friends, find out what is that must or have to do things in your life, and inevitably that's going to change your life in order to avoid the aftermath consequences. The second life-changing factor is reward. Friends, we can do everything when there is a reward attached to something. However idle I am, if I fix my eyes on a particular goal or target, I've got to work my tail off. I have to get myself rid of all the unnecessary, petty and unwanted distracting elements from my life, make sacrifices and change myself in such a way that I can push all the limits so as to get that reward. And it is very much evident among top athletes, students and big corporations. You might have seen to remain at the top of anything requires a whole lot of things to do, and for that we are ready to even change ourselves. So think of a greater reward in your life and that will certainly change your life. The third thing which can bring about a massive change in your life is challenge or excitement. Friends, nobody wants to live a life where there is no excitement or no joy or no challenge. I mean, everybody loves some sort of challenge, excitement or thrill. I'll give you a very common day-to-day life example. If there is an overweight guy, then he is going to listen so many bad comments as how ugly and unfit he looks, and those things are definitely going to weigh him down. But these people can definitely transform themselves only when they determinedly take action, do regular exercises and strictly regulate their dietary pattern. And I tell you, all these things are very much daunting, but if you want to change your life, if these people want to change their life, then they have to be up for the challenge. Only then it is possible for them that they can later look more prettier. I mean, they may look more handsome or beautiful or fitter. So take up a daunting challenge in your life and that's going to change your life forever. The fourth major thing which can bring about a massive change in your life is situation. Friends, nothing can change a man more than situation. Situation can either make you or break you. There are so many instances like after the loss of the breadwinner in the family, or to survive in a cutthroat competition, or to do anything whatever the situation demands, we do change ourselves. When we meet so many people, either our friends or relatives, we sometimes tell, "Hey man, you are not like this. What caused you to change?" And very often you listen this answer that it was the situation that changed me. So friends, if you want to improve your situation or your life, then there is no other substitute than to alter it by taking timely and necessary action. So the fifth and the most important life-changing factor is negative remarks, be it criticisms, insults or rejection. Friends, no one is immune to this. I mean, every one of us at some point of time in life have faced criticisms, insults or rejection. And I tell you, nothing can be more motivating than negative remarks. Because negative remarks can make a man do the impossible task, right? So if negative remarks are taken very seriously with positive intent, then that can work wonders. People have done impossible tasks and they have shown to the world and particularly to those persons who have thrown stone at them. So I repeat, negative remarks can definitely motivate and bring about a whole lot of change in your life. So bear these 5 things in your mind and keep saying yourself, I don't want to live a miserable life and die a miserable death. Rather, I want to live a very happy life and die a very happy death. Then I assure you, you will never be the same again. Your life will be very much happy and joyful, and you will live a very fulfilling and prosperous life in your post-change life. So get set, make better change for a better tomorrow. So friends, if you like this video, then give a thumbs up and share this video among all your friends, and do not forget to click and subscribe my channel so that you do not miss any new notifications. All the very best.